In this question, a train time must be compiled for various days of weeks so that two trains twice a day depart for the 3 days, one train daily for 2 days, and three trains once a day for 2 days. How many different timetable can be compiled? Okay, so there are three types of these: one train and two train and three trains. Okay, so two trains twice a day depart for 3 days. Okay, so there are two trains of different, so they are both are different. So so they are twice a day depart for 3 days. So means one train, number one train is for 3 days. Okay, number two train is daily for 2 days. Okay, for 2 days, and number three train is for 2 days. Okay, so the total is 3 plus 2 plus 2 is 7. So total in a week total 7 days, 3 days plus 2 days plus 2 days. So this equals 7 factorial upon 3 factorial into 2 factorial into 2 factorial, because one train for depart for 3 days and one train for 2 days, and the another third train once a day for 2 days. Okay, so this total number of different timetables can be compiled is 7 factorial upon 3 factorial into 2 factorial into 2 factorial. So 7 factorial is 7 into 6 into 5 into 4 into 3 factorial upon 3 factorial into 2 into 2. So 3 factorial से 3 factorial cancel out, 2 से 2 into 2 is 4, so 4 से cancel out, okay, 4 cancel out. So this will become 7 into 6 30. Okay, 30 into 5 is 30 into 5 is sorry 6 into 5 is 30, 6 into 5 in 30 into 7. So this is equal to 210. Total number of different timetables can be found or can be compiled is 210. Okay, so how many different timetables can be compiled? So total 210 timetables can be found. Okay, when in a week one train for 3 days, another one, second one for the 2 days, and third one for the 3 days. Okay, so this is 7 factorial upon 3 factorial 2 factorial, because this is for 3 days, this is for 2 days, and this is for 2 days. Okay, so 7 factorial upon 3 factorial into 2 factorial into 2 factorial, or this comes out to be 210. So total number of different timetables can be found is 210. Okay, so this is the answer for this question.